Sissy is my 4-year-old cattle dog, and what can I say? She is just the most wholesome dog ever. And many dogs have different hobbies, but Sissy's hobbies, you ask? Well, she's a little unique. She loves herding water. It's the silliest thing ever. My dad is suffering from ALS. He's going through a lot, and I started recording Sissy as a way to cheer him up. Sissy is his favorite dog, so every few days I would send him a video like such. He enjoyed each video so much. In fact, he was the one who called me one day and said that I should put her on the internet because the world should see her. So I'm like, why not? I didn't expect so many people to see her and enjoy her videos this much. Sissy is very hardworking. She works alongside me on the horse farm every day. But the moment she catches a glimpse of water, it doesn't matter if it is an entire trough or a small amount of it, her immediate instinct is to start digging a channel for the water to flow through. And she loves to decide which way it should travel and flow. Her excitement always indicates just how accomplished she feels when doing this. She's such a unique and quirky dog. Her happiness and excitement is just absolutely contagious. Like, she makes these paths and even leaps around them to express her ecstatic feeling. It's just wonderful. She'll be working rapidly on her paths, and then the water halts, so she just calmly waits for more water. And then she just does it all over again. You know, I just love seeing her be so happy because she brings so much happiness in my family's lives. Yeah, she is just living the best life a dog ever could want.